from the 361, he is DXC.
DXC is in the house, he's in Heavy Metal Thunder, and I believe this is the first time that he's appeared in the good year of 2019. Am I correct, sir?
That is correct. The first time the debut for DXC here in Heavy Metal Thunder.
I don't know what I don't know much about this guy, but I feel like we're gonna find out tonight. He has a very serious face on him, and it looks like he's down and ready for business. So let's see what we got in this actually four-way action. What a way to come out and start 2019 to win the four-way in the first match in here at Heavy Metal Thunder.
That's right, Tempo. In action, indeed, we have
his first opponent from San Antonio, Texas, Cesar Reyes.
If you want to talk about action tempo, this guy's got what you need. Cesar Reyes, the little big man of Heavy Metal Thunder. He's got a heart of gold, man. He's got a heart of a champion, some would say. He's always out here getting the fans hyped up, ready to rock and roll, as they would say, bringing the thunder to Heavy Metal Thunder.
Hey, man, they love Cesar Reyes out here, man. How can you not love Cesar Reyes? Such a great guy. Always comes with great energy. I'm telling you, Bethel, he is the guy. Look at this man right here.
Much respect, man. Much respect.
He's respect with us.
Yeah.
He didn't forget about us.
That's
That's
right.
a beautiful
That's right.
thing.
Cesar Reyes getting hyped up, the second entrant in this four-way match. San Antonio native.
That's how you do it, baby. From San Antonio, from the SA.
Their opponent, desde la Ciudad de Mexico, representando Latino Fever, Tormenta Silenciosa.
Oh, Latino. The Latino Fever, Bethel. Do it, Bethel. Do it.
We feeling it. We're feeling it tonight in Latino Fever here at Heavy Metal Thunder. I always shaking, I always move around when the music hits, man. I'm telling you.
Is it like this?
Tormenta, yeah, it's just like that.
That's the Macarena.
It's a Macarena.
The Macarena.
Tormenta Silenciosa, man. We've seen this guy. He's built like a tank. He is part of the trio of Latino Fever. We've seen him. His strength is matched just by his agility, Tempo.
And let me tell you, man, Latino Fever has become very popular with the heavy metal crowd here. They love them some Latino Fever. Everybody starts sweating just a little bit. We might have to call a doctor. We don't have the nurse in the house tonight. So we have all this fever. I don't know what's going to happen.
Well, be that as it may, we're going to see who the fourth entrant of this four-way dance is going to be.
And their opponent, from New York City, Ethan Papagiorgio.
Now, everybody can't be fortunate. You know what I'm saying?
I hear you.
You don't hate him because he's fortunate. I was talking to him in the back. He says, hey, Tempo, man, them shoes look a little old. What you doing, man? Where's your money? Where's your new shoes? I wanted to punch him in the face, but I didn't.
Yeah.
You know, I'm going to save all my energy for high and dry.
That's right. I would definitely advise that. I mean, this guy, Ethan Papagiorgio, he's from the Fortunate Sons. He's got money. That's what he's about. And he's always has some trick up his sleeve, always looking to have some sort of insurance policy back him up. I mean, he's alone here tonight.
Well, you don't got to have tricks up your sleeves when you got money.
That's true. That's true. Referee Vance Jackson, making sure all the combatants are ready to go in this match. He's calling for the bell. We've got action. We're here in Heavy Metal Thunder. Cesar Reyes getting this crowd hyped at Heavy Metal Thunder.
Oh, wait. Oh, we're breaking out the big money right here. Hey, you better take that. Them hundreds right there, man.
Well, as you mentioned, if you got money, you don't have tricks up your sleeve, and he's flashing it to DXC.
Is he going to take that money?
We talked about that insurance policy. He might actually,
he's checking it. He approved that right there.
Wow.
I'm not going to be mad at you if you take the money.
He's taking the money. DXC is taking the money.
I can't believe you.
And look, we've got an agreement here. Ethan Papagiorgio and DXC look like they're going to join forces in a four-way dance. See how long that'll last.
Oh, wait a minute. Wait for some more money. Oh, look at this.
Oh, is he going to buy off Cesar Reyes?
He's trying to. This is how you win the match with the money, man.
Wow.
Oh, tacos for lunch there. Oh!
Whoa, Cesar Reyes not taking it. And Tormenta Silenciosa going to work as DXC.
Hey, he just hit his boss, man. He just hit the boss. He let all that money go on the ground. Come on, Cesar.
Oh, big chop from Cesar Reyes. Tormenta.
Oh, big pump kick right to the mush right there.
We talked about that agility that he's got. Look at this. Oh!
Oh, big hip toss taking him right out. Oh, but you don't turn your back on Cesar Reyes.
Cesar Reyes calling out that they have honor. He's wanting to make this a sports. He wants us to be a sports company. He wants us to be a competition, legit competition. He doesn't want any underhanded tricks as they exchange attacks. Tormenta, wow!
That's how to stop him in the tracks right there. Oh, nice reversal right there.
Side Russian leg sweep. Cesar Reyes going for the pinfall, and Ethan Papagiorgio and DXC interrupting the count.
Look at them, just these guys. Now, see, that's what money does. Money buys you friendship, and they say you can't buy be happiness. You can't buy happiness with money. And I wouldn't talk to the fortunate ones about that, because they're always happy when I see them.
Well, I mean, they definitely have deep pockets, and he's utilizing it. Ethan Papagiorgio is utilizing that wallet of his. DXC's certainly in his corner, and we've got some nice. And a double elbow drop.
Look at that elbow right there.
Some chemistry here.
Now look at this.
1, 2.
Oh, hey, whoa,
Oh.
whoa. Hey, he paid him good money for that, man.
Well, DXC.
Papagiorgio not even no time to explain his actions. He's just saying, come on, man, we got this.
Tormenta taking a splash in the corner. Ethan Papagiorgio now.
Oh.
Tormenta fighting out of the corner. DXC coming for getting a kick to the mush. Tormenta calling for something big here. We're talking about how he's built like a tank, and then
oh my
wow!
Goodness gracious, right there. That's a lot of weight on you.
He just barrel rolled into Ethan Papagiorgio, taking him out on the outside.
Is he flat on the mat? I think we're going to need a spatula out here to come and pick the boy up. Oh, what a big kick to the jaw. DXC is going to have jaw problems.
Oh. DXC coming back now. Oh, looking for something. This is interesting. Oh! Pile driver off the ropes, off the middle ropes, going for the pinfall. Just a 2 count. Cesar Reyes interrupting the count.
Well, I think he's trying to win the match. You do have to break up the pin to win the match.
Yeah,
That's what he's
yeah.
definitely doing.
Uh-oh. DXC, Cesar Reyes exchanging attacks. Kick to the gut as he goes off the ropes. Reyes.
Oh, big
nice
right
spear.
there from Porky Reyes. Porky's now about to
Look
get
out behind you, Claymore.
Right.
Is that it? 1, 2, 3. Ring the bell. This one's over. Ethan Papagiorgio.
Here's your winner.
They say money
Ethan
don't buy happiness,
Papagiorgio.
but I'll tell you what it did. Money bought the schooling. Money bought the knowledge. For your boy, the fortunate one, to walk out here with the W. And there's nothing more they like more than money than winning, baby.
That's
the
right.
fortunate man, the fortunate one, Papagiorgio, came